Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special for all the Apple Watch enthusiasts out there. We're unboxing the Nike Blue Flame Sport Band for the Apple Watch in the 45mm medium large version. Whether you're an athlete or just someone who loves a sleek and functional accessory, this one's for you. Alright, let's dive right in. The packaging is clean and minimalistic, as expected from Apple and Nike's collaboration. You can see the Nike branding, giving it that sporty vibe. Now let's open this one up. Inside the box, you'll find the band neatly secured, along with the standard paperwork and warranty information. No extra frills, just the essentials. And here it is, the Nike Blue Flame Sport Band. The colour is absolutely stunning. A vibrant blue with a flash of orange that stands out without being too flashy. Perfect for those who want a pop of colour on their wrist. The band is made from high-performance fluoroelastomer, which is not only durable but also super comfortable on the wrist. You can see the textured design here, which gives it a bit more grip and style. It's designed to be both lightweight and strong, so it's perfect for all-day wear. One of the best features is the pin and tuck closure, which ensures a clean fit every time. No dangling straps or bulky buckles, just a sleek, secure fit. The band is compatible with all Apple Watch models, so whether you have a Series 3 or the latest Series 9, even on an Apple Watch Ultra, it'll fit perfectly. It's also available in 40/41mm and 44/45mm sizes, so you can choose the one that matches your wrist. Once it's on, it feels incredibly comfortable. The material is smooth against the skin and it's designed to be breathable, so no matter how intense your workout gets, you'll stay comfortable. Now let's talk about the benefits of owning this band. First off, it's sweat and water resistant, making it perfect for workouts, swimming, or just even daily wear. The fluoroelastomer material is also hypoallergenic, so it's great for those with sensitive skin. The colour is fade resistant, so it'll stay looking fresh and vibrant for a long time. Plus the iconic Nike perforations not only add style but also help with ventilation, keeping your wrist cool during intense activities. So if you're looking to add a bit of style and functionality to your Apple Watch, the Nike Blue Flame Sport Band is a fantastic choice. It's durable, comfortable, and looks great, whether you're hitting the gym or just going about your day. If you're looking for a band that's both functional and fashionable, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech and accessory reviews. See you in the next one.